Hello there, today I'm at Section 13 Emira Residence. This building is a service residence, it's low density. Let's check it out, this beautiful apartment. This unit is 614 square feet, it's one bedroom type. Let's start with the kitchen section. It comes with the kitchen cabinet, with the induction cooker and hob. And that's where you put your laundry area. So this is the living hall. This unit is facing the morning sun and it's facing the stadium. This unit is on the high floor. Check out this view. So the LRT is just on the area connecting to Bandar Utama, heading towards Klang. There's so much potential in this area. Good condition. So moving forward to the master bedroom. Right. And this is the master bathroom. Well kept, no leaking. It's in good condition. All right. Beautiful unit. This property is just right beside Aeon Mall and MSU. There's just so much potential in this building, and this is one of the most luxurious condominium in Shah Alam. Emira residence, low density, so much opportunity. This developer is by OSK. I hope you like this tour. Thank you. Cheers.